Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install SQL Server 2019 Express, which is the free edition for SQL Server. It is ideal for development and production of desktop, web, and small web server applications. And then we are going to download its user interface, which is the SQL Server Management Studio. It is an integrated environment for managing any SQL infrastructure. It provides tools to configure, monitor, and administer instances of SQL Server and database. And finally, we are going to download and install the Adventureworks sample databases, which is a free sample found in the Microsoft website. So the first thing is to come to the browser and type SQL Server, download, and then make sure that you have clicked download link from the Microsoft website. Once you are in the website, click on the Express Edition. So after the installation file has completed downloading, head over to the folder where you have saved the file and double click on the setup to launch the installation. So we have three setup. Media download is where you want to install later on a machine of your choice, and then the costume is where you select different features to be included in your setup, which takes longer than the basic installation. So for our case, we are going to select the basic option. So you'll click on the basic. So here you will go through the license term and accept. So you will click on the accept tab. So here we can see that the installation has completed successfully, and we are not going to change anything. We leave everything as a default. The connection string is the address for the SQL server, and the log folder is where we keep all the errors from the SQL server. So we will click on the connect now to test. Here we can confirm that everything is okay. We'll close it, and now we have a tab where you can click to install the Microsoft Management Studio. So once you have reached the website, you will scroll down and click on the download SQL Server Management Studio, which is the latest version. So after the download has complete, you will come to the folder where you've saved the file and double click to launch the setup process. So here you'll just leave it the way it is and click install. You can change the location to the choice that you want. So here we can see that the setup has completed. So we will come to the start menu and try to connect to the SQL Server Management Studio. So you'll come and say SQL Management Studio. So you'll see. So here you can see that the instance name, the server name. So you can click connect. You can see we've been able to install SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. Now let's download and install Adventureworks database, which is a free sample database found in the Microsoft website. So you will come to the browser and type Adventureworks database site. Make sure you click the link from Microsoft website. So we are going to select the Adventureworks for 2019 or LTP version, which matches our database server. After it has completed to download, we'll come to the download folder and cut and move the file to the SQL Server backup location, which is under Programs file, Microsoft SQL Server. Under backup. So I had already installed. So you'll come and connect to your instance. Under database, right click on the restore database. Select the device. Select add and choose the backup file you recently moved to the backup location. If you moved your file but you are not able to see it in the wizard, this is a typical indication of a permission issue. Select OK. And then here you click OK. Database and refresh, and you can see Adventureworks database is here. You can explore the database. You can see it has how many tables, how many views. Hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe and like for more SQL Server content. I have included all the links in the description below. Thank you and see you later.